If you ever wanted to visit Tahiti and you don't really know what to expect, I can show you that. So it's the D-Day. We are going to Tahiti today. Everything is ready. We're waiting to take the plane, and I'll be showing you how it is and what to expect if you ever visit there. Tahiti is a beautiful island. This is the main island of French Polynesia, and there's like 100 other islands to visit except Tahiti. But Tahiti is where the international airport is, so you will necessarily go to Tahiti first, no matter where you go after. So in August it's cooler in Tahiti than December because winter is in the Pacific on this time, and so it's still hot, but it's better than December. So hopefully we are not too hot there because obviously it's winter in New Zealand, so the the temperature will be very different. But I can't wait to take you guys with us for this long holiday there where we have time to show you around and help you, why not, to plan your travel there if you want through those videos. So I will see you guys very soon.